The best investment opportunities for 2024. You already know the best and easiest way for stock investment. Invest the same amount of money each month to an ETF tracking S&P 500 index in your Roth IRA or TSFA account, with dividend automatically reinvested for at least 30 years. The only issue is that you need to invest for a very long time to achieve your objectives. There is another easy and effective way for stock investment: crash investing. This is to wait for a market crash over 50%. You can borrow no-cost or low-cost money to buy an ETF tracking S&P 500 index and wait for the market to recover. The issue is that you don't know when the market will crash, so it may be too random and unpredictable. Here is another way for investment: only invest in the best opportunities each year. If you can find and focus on the best investment opportunities, the return will be much higher than the above two investment strategies. The issue is that only limited people should know about those opportunities. Otherwise, it will not work. In our membership channel, we will share those best opportunities each year to help you achieve financial freedom earlier. So, what's the best investment opportunity for 2024? It's investing in Bitcoin. To be more exactly, it's investing in a Bitcoin ETF, like BITO. If you are not familiar with cryptocurrency, you may watch the following video in our public channel. Cryptocurrency investment: all you need to know. One distinctive characteristic of cryptocurrency investment is that there is no base value at current phase. So it's pure manipulation, and it's basically a zero-sum game. Big players have big impacts on the price trend of cryptocurrencies. There is a 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle. After each halving, the price of Bitcoin will increase significantly. This is a basic logic established by the big players. However, for each cycle, how it works will be totally different. Sometimes, there will be long-lasting consolidation, while other times, it could go straight up. We cannot predict how it will work for 2024 halving. In addition, the halving impact will be reduced for each halving cycle. 2024 could be the last opportunity for this type of trading. From fundamental analysis perspectives, there will be some good catalysts for Bitcoin. 1. Bitcoin halving will happen in April or May 2024. 2. Some new spot Bitcoin ETF may be approved by the SEC in early 2024. 3. Inflation and Fed policy may become more favorable in 2024. 4. More institutions may start buying Bitcoins in 2024. From technical analysis perspectives, there are some good technical setups for Bitcoin. 1. $15,000 is the most important support from last cycle and holds well during the crash. 2. The wave 1 for this new Bitcoin bull market has finished. 3. The price is consolidating between $25,000 to $30,000 for quite long time. The more it consolidates, the more price upside it can have. 4. The wave 3 have already happened. Usually, the wave 3 has the largest price appreciation. However, it's difficult to hold Bitcoin due to manipulations. It's totally possible there will be a shakeout to backtest $30,000 for the big players to collect cheap chips. So, if you would like to take this opportunity, we would recommend to take initial positions at this moment, and buy more when there are better prices. We will keep you updated when situation becomes more favorable. Our initial prediction is that the price of Bitcoin should at least retest the high of the previous cycle, which means that you can easily get a 50% return in 2024. There could be a situation when everybody is excited about the future of Bitcoin and the price appreciates too fast. It's highly likely it's the final phase of this cycle due to euphoria. So, don't be too greedy. The price can flip in a minute. Be sure to set your trailing stop losses. During the next crypto bull market, you may want to invest in some altcoins, which may generate much higher returns than Bitcoin. However, most of the altcoins are fraud schemes and manipulated by insiders. So we would recommend only invest small percentage in altcoins. Altcoins only follow the price movement of Bitcoins. Bitcoin and Ethereum are always leading altcoins. Only when you see that Bitcoin breaks out the price range, you can start thinking of investing in altcoins. We will keep you updated about this investment opportunity for 2024. Thank you for watching.